Shondell. Shondell Atkinson is Shondale Atkinson.
Beautiful.
The crack epidemic ruined families because no one was going to work. Couldn't pay the bills, and the money they were getting, they were spending it all on drugs.
Do I think it's a lost cause? As far as still, dealing with the aftermath of crack cocaine, I don't ever think that anybody or anything is a lost cause. I think that if we all come together, like this documentary starts shedding light on it, because there's so many people that still smoke crack cocaine, still right now, and it's not even real crack, and they are still smoking it. That stuff now, which was very instrumental in me stopping 6.5 years ago, after being clean for 6 years.